you had to pick between like a marry me chicken pasta and like a creamy Tuscan, what would you go for? Like, which one appeals to your taste buds? All right, today I'm cooking with my bro, D-Mix this, and I'm teaching him how to cook. I'm pouring this salad, basically say a pinch of salt.
I don't want to say that. Wait, come on, follow.
I'm basically schooling him. He thinks he can cook, but let's be honest, I'm giving him a little 1-2 lesson here. First order of business, get your pasta going according to package instructions. We're going to cook it until it's al dente. There's nothing more disappointing than unseasoned chicken and pasta, so we're going to heavily but lightly season the chicken in moderation. Al dente. Get some olive oil, get that going. I burnt mine. The teacher burnt his chicken. That's a sign. You shouldn't be overconfident. Because I was being overconfident and he put me to shame. All right, get some fresh garlic because there's no garlic and olive oil without Italian cooking. Also, I'm going to finish it with fresh basil. So make sure you get the garlic going for his Alfredo. I did the same, but on my hand, I added in tomato paste. So if you think about it, I feel like a marry me chicken pasta is just basically an Alfredo with tomato puree or sauce. Think about it because there's not really much variation. All right, and here he is, chatting, laughing. This guy's more like... One tip I want to give you, have fun in the kitchen, enjoy what you're doing. Make sure you make memories and magic, like the way my guy's mocking me for the mistakes that I keep making. Because I let loose, I wasn't in teacher mode. Now, I really love and appreciate this. I'm daring you this summer to get one of your boys or your friends and just cook together, talk, have time, just commune. And also comment what's your favorite. Let me know what you want to see. And also, which one would look better to the eye? Like, be real with me, which one look better to the eye? Personally, if I'm being humble and honest, in my most unbiased opinion, I say the red one wins. Rosso or Bianco. Rosso is going to win all the time. I even put this on my story and you guys voted Rosso. So love to you all. I'll see you in the next one. And in a bit, people, love. I feel like I'm in my Italian bag. But love for real, though.
What? Hey, yo.
It was honestly a vibe and yeah.
Bianco.
That's a wrap, guys.